It just feels refreshing.
A new look now welcomes visitors and artists to the Frisco Discovery Center.
Everybody walks in, they're like, oh, wow, this looks great.
After months of construction, the Frisco Discovery Center is renovated and refreshed.
So we're super excited about the updates. They repainted, took up the carpeting that was here, updated the colors. They changed out the spotlights to LED.
The community gallery connecting all three museums now has neutral walls and improved lighting, better for art to be displayed. Plus, a former workshop and a conference room are now a gallery specifically for art exhibits.
We're calling it the Grand Gallery. We merged those two rooms, polished the concrete floor, painted it white, left a tall ceiling, installed track lighting, and now it is a beautiful white gallery ready to go for artists.
The new space allows for sculptures to be part of an exhibit.
We didn't have a good place to put, pedestals and sculptures in kind of a safe place, because if you put it out in the main lobby, there's just a lot more traffic out here and something could happen a lot easier.
And the bathrooms are expanded and redone to accommodate the tens of thousands of guests who visit the Discovery Center each year.
It's just a much more pleasant experience, whether it's for a theater goer, an art gallery goer, or anybody that's visiting the museums.
This is the first update to the Discovery Center since it opened in 2010.
It's well established in the community as a place for arts groups to meet and gather, and as a place to come bring your family to the different museums. And so I think by reinvesting in it, it shows the city's commitment to its citizens.
This renovation project cost about $1 million. It was paid for with funds provided by the Frisco Community Development Corporation.
We have a lot going on here, and for new residents or old residents, there's things to discover.
To learn more about the Discovery Center, go to friscodiscoverycenter.com.